When it comes to skincare, cleansing is the foundation of healthy, glowing skin. Yet, choosing the right facial cleanser can feel overwhelming with so many options out there. Whether your skin is dry, sensitive, oily, or somewhere in between, the right cleanser makes all the difference. In today's video, we'll break down the best facial skin cleansers that deliver deep cleaning without stripping your skin's natural moisture. We've tested and reviewed 5 of the most trusted cleansers that keep your face fresh, balanced, and radiant. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. The Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser has been a skincare staple for decades, and for good reason. Known for its mild, non-irritating formula, this cleanser is designed specifically for sensitive and dry skin. It effectively removes dirt, oil, and makeup without leaving your face tight or over-dried. Dermatologist tested and recommended worldwide, it's a go-to for anyone seeking a reliable daily cleanser that delivers a clean, soft, and balanced complexion every time. Key features. Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser stands out for its soap-free and fragrance-free formula, enriched with hydrating ingredients like glycerin and vitamin B5. It maintains the skin's natural pH balance while gently lifting away impurities. Its hypoallergenic nature ensures it's safe for even the most sensitive skin types. Unlike many cleansers that foam excessively, Cetaphil provides a creamy consistency that nourishes as it cleanses. It's clinically proven to reinforce the skin's natural barrier against dryness and irritation. Usability. This cleanser's non-foaming texture is incredibly easy to use and spreads smoothly across the skin. It's particularly beneficial for those dealing with eczema, rosacea, or general sensitivity. Suitable for all ages, it's gentle enough for daily use and integrates effortlessly into any skincare routine. Whether you're dealing with harsh weather or indoor dryness, Cetaphil keeps your skin hydrated and soothed all day long. Durability. One of the strongest points of Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser is its long-lasting performance. A single bottle lasts for months since only a small amount is needed per use. Its consistent formula ensures the same results every time, and it doesn't degrade with temperature changes. Many users report improved texture and reduced dryness with continued use, proving it's a product that stands the test of time.
In the second spot, we have Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. The Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser is a premium skincare product crafted for those seeking a balance between deep cleansing and nourishment. Developed with a philosophy of gentle yet effective skincare, this cleanser removes excess oil, dirt, and makeup without disrupting your skin's natural moisture barrier. Its luxurious formula works harmoniously across all skin types, making it a beloved choice for both men and women who crave a refreshed and balanced complexion every day. Key features. Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser features a blend of apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, and squalane, ingredients known for their moisturizing and healing properties. The formula is pH balanced and sulfate-free, ensuring your skin remains comfortable and hydrated. It effectively dissolves impurities and environmental buildup, while its creamy texture foams lightly to deliver a soothing cleanse. Dermatologists tested, it's formulated to minimize irritation even for the most delicate skin. Benefits and usage. The main benefit of Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser lies in its ability to cleanse without over-drying. It provides a smooth, fresh finish while maintaining your skin's elasticity. To use, dampen your face and apply a pea-sized amount. Massage gently in circular motions before rinsing thoroughly. This process leaves your face feeling soft, balanced, and ready to absorb serums or moisturizers more efficiently. Usability. Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser excels in versatility. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, it adjusts perfectly to your needs. The mild foaming action creates a satisfying cleansing experience without harshness. It's great for everyday use, morning or night, and complements other skincare products beautifully. Its texture feels light yet effective, perfect for busy individuals seeking a cleanser that works quickly and consistently. Durability. A small amount of Kiehl's cleanser goes a long way, offering excellent value for its premium quality. The packaging is sturdy, travel-friendly, and ensures minimal waste. Long-term users notice improved skin texture and reduced dullness even with minimal product use. Its formulation remains stable over time, ensuring it performs well even after months of use, making it a dependable addition to your skincare collection.
Coming in at number 3 is the Bioderma Sensibio H2O. Bioderma Sensibio H2O is a cult favorite in the skincare world and a must-have for anyone with sensitive skin. Unlike traditional cleansers, this micellar water uses advanced cleansing molecules to remove makeup, oil, and impurities effortlessly. It's so gentle that dermatologists and makeup artists alike swear by it for its ability to cleanse without irritating or disrupting the skin's natural balance. It's perfect for those who prefer a quick, water-free cleansing solution. Key features. Sensibio H2O features micellar technology, tiny cleansing molecules that attract dirt and oil like a magnet, leaving your skin fresh and clean without any harsh rubbing. It's fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and hypoallergenic, making it ideal for reactive and delicate skin. The formula mimics your skin's natural composition to maintain balance while removing even waterproof makeup. Its dermatological-grade water ensures maximum purity and safety for daily use. Benefits and usage. The biggest benefit of Bioderma Sensibio H2O is its simplicity. There's no need to rinse, just soak a cotton pad, swipe gently over your face, and watch makeup and impurities vanish instantly. It's particularly effective for removing eye makeup without stinging. Regular use results in clearer, calmer skin with less redness and irritation. It's a fantastic option for those who want an effortless yet thorough cleansing step in their skincare routine. Usability. Sensibio H2O is incredibly user-friendly and convenient, especially for those with busy schedules or sensitive skin that reacts to traditional cleansers. It's suitable for daily use, morning, night, or anytime you need a refresh. Its water-light texture feels soothing and non-sticky, making it perfect for layering under other skincare products. It's also great for travel since it requires no rinsing and works well with minimal effort. Durability. One bottle of Bioderma Sensibio H2O lasts surprisingly long, as just a few drops can cleanse the entire face. Its formulation remains consistent and stable, maintaining freshness until the last drop. Many users report long-term improvements in skin comfort and clarity, proving it's not just a makeup remover, but a reliable skincare ally. The brand's dermatological reputation ensures consistent quality and dependability with every use.
Taking our 4th spot is Paula's Choice Hydrating Cleanser. The Paula's Choice Hydrating Cleanser is designed for those who value both science and skincare comfort. Created with dry and sensitive skin in mind, this cleanser combines rich emollients and gentle surfactants to remove impurities without stripping natural oils. Known for its clean, research-based formulations, Paula's Choice delivers a luxurious yet practical product that pampers your skin while maintaining its natural moisture balance. Key features. This hydrating cleanser is packed with skin-loving ingredients like glycerin, aloe vera, and chamomile extract. It's free from artificial fragrance, dyes, and parabens, ensuring zero irritation. The creamy, non-foaming texture gently dissolves dirt and makeup while providing a layer of hydration. The formula is pH balanced, keeping your skin barrier intact. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, making it an ethical choice for conscientious users. Usage and benefits. The Paula's Choice Hydrating Cleanser excels in providing a clean, hydrated finish. It effectively removes makeup, sunscreen, and grime while leaving the skin soft and supple. To use, apply a small amount to damp skin, massage gently, and rinse thoroughly. You'll notice your face feels refreshed and smooth without any tightness. It's a perfect first step in both morning and nighttime routines for those who want clean yet nourished skin. It pairs beautifully with Paula's Choice moisturizers and toners for a complete skincare experience that feels balanced and effective. Durability. A little of this cleanser goes a long way, just a dime-sized amount provides full coverage. The packaging is sturdy and designed to minimize product waste. With consistent use, users report lasting improvements in hydration and overall skin smoothness. The formulation remains stable over time, retaining its creamy consistency and performance. It's a long-lasting, dependable cleanser that continually delivers visible results.
And finally, at number 5, we have the Fresh Soy Cleanser. The Fresh Soy Cleanser is an award-winning face wash beloved for its gentle, nourishing properties. Formulated with natural soy proteins and botanicals, it's designed to cleanse and tone in one step. Perfect for all skin types, including sensitive skin, this cleanser removes impurities and makeup without over-drying. It's a staple for anyone seeking a refreshing, plant-based formula that leaves the skin soft, smooth, and balanced after every wash. Key features: the Fresh Soy Cleanser is powered by soy proteins, cucumber extract, and rose water, ingredients known for their soothing and conditioning effects. It's pH balanced and free from harsh sulfates, ensuring it respects your skin's natural barrier. The gel-like texture transforms into a silky lather that cleans deeply while maintaining moisture. It's dermatologist-tested, cruelty-free, and formulated without parabens or synthetic fragrances. Benefits and usage. This cleanser's biggest benefit is its ability to cleanse deeply while maintaining softness. It effectively removes dirt, excess oil, and even waterproof makeup. To use, apply to damp skin and gently massage in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly for a refreshed, radiant finish. The natural ingredients work together to improve elasticity and tone, leaving your skin looking more youthful and feeling incredibly fresh after every use. Usability. The Fresh Soy Cleanser is exceptionally versatile. It suits all skin types and can be used daily without irritation. Its pleasant, natural scent and lightweight texture make it a joy to use. It's gentle enough for morning cleansing, yet powerful enough to remove evening makeup. It integrates easily into any skincare routine and pairs beautifully with toners and moisturizers from any brand for a balanced, healthy complexion. Durability. A small amount of this cleanser delivers a rich, effective lather, meaning each bottle lasts for months. Its formulation remains stable, retaining its texture and freshness over time. Users consistently praise its lasting benefits, such as smoother skin texture and reduced redness. Whether you're using it at home or on the go, the Fresh Soy Cleanser remains a durable, high-performing favorite in everyday skincare routines. And there you have it, 5 of the best facial skin cleansers that deliver real results for every skin type. From the dermatologist-approved Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser to the refreshing Fresh Soy Cleanser, each of these products brings its own unique strengths. The right cleanser can transform not just how your skin looks, but how it feels. So choose the one that fits your needs and enjoy cleaner, healthier, and more radiant skin every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more skincare tips and honest reviews.